Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you fix your messenger error of no internet connection, or if you are facing a problem of no internet connection on messenger. Let me show you how can you fix it. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that your mobile is connected to the Wi-Fi or you have a mobile data of a stable speed. So the first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection, and the second thing, you have to open the Play Store and type messenger here, and there you can see I got the option of open. If you got the option of update here, you have to update the messenger app first. So after this, I hope you will be able to fix the problem, but still if you are facing the problem, so the last thing is that you have to go to your mobile settings and go to the app management towards the bottom if you are using an Android mobile phone. There you got the option of app settings, click on it. It will give you all the list of the app on your mobile phone. From there you have to go to the messenger settings, and there you got the option of storage and cache in the second section on the very first. So click on it, and after this you can see the clear cache option at the bottom right corner, so you have to just click on it. So after these three measures, you will be able to fix the error of no internet connection on messenger. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any doubt, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.